Hello, human. This is
Hello?
an accurate simulation of Gourmet Chef.
Okay.
We'll start by making some breakfast. Turn on the grill and let's get frying.
Alright.
Even though humans spend the entire night in a state of low power consumption, they still require food energy as soon as they wake up. Bacon and eggs provide a high energy taste ratio.
Okay. Oh. Here, hold on. Oh, I have to, okay. So we're gonna cook that. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Watch this. Ba, 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 da, da, da. Oh, okay. Here, it's okay, I can, okay, that's okay. Oh,
That one's getting pretty well done.
Okay.
Don't worry, we'll serve it anyway.
Okay. Okay. Cool, Wait, hold on. Okay, why don't we just... Yummy. Alright, cool. Ooh, whoopsies. Here, we'll just leave this on. It's fine. Need some bacon. Some bacon. Alright, got some bacon. Oh, I just ate raw bacon. Oh, okay. That's okay. We're just gonna microwave it because I don't have enough time. Okay.
Now put your creations on the plate and you can ring the bell to send it out to the restaurant.
Need a plate. Some bacon. Some eggs. Hope you enjoy this.
The smoothie is one of the most efficient forms of human food. Simply
Yeah,
take
sure.
some of your inefficient solid food and put it through the blender.
Okay, I can work with that. Here, let's do... Oh. We're gonna make a nice smoothie. We'll just use the leftovers. Ooh. Okay. Here, let's put a ribeye. Knife. No knife? Just gonna... Do we not have a knife? Okay. Okay. Let's get some cheese. Oh no, we have to have the ribeye. Okay.
Looks good. Pour it out into a cup and then we can serve it.
Okay. Got some. Ooh, hold on, we gotta... Okay, well that won't break. Let's get some bread. It always goes good in smoothie. Let's get some... Yeah, pepper. I landed that. Yummy. Can I? Oh, okay, no, I can't. Let's get a cup. Yummy. Okay, I hope you enjoy.
Hello, human.
Hello.
Might I trouble you for some tea and crumpets? Tea is a traditional human beverage consisting of heated water and flavor. Let's begin with heating some water using a kettle.
Okay. Yeah. Kettle. I know where that is. A kettle. There's a kettle. Now I need a sink. Cold water. Okay. Gotta... No! Hold on. I know how to make this extra flavor. That's the flavor. Okay, this is the flavor he wants. There we are. Now I just... What do I... Here. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay. There. Nice and hot. Okay, now we're gonna want to add some mushroom. And it's good to... No. We're gonna add some mushroom. Look at it. Okay. You know what? We'll add it when we're done. Which is now. No, we are going to add mushroom. Okay. Not done. Okay, you're not satisfied. Flavor. Oh, whoopsies.
Let's try making some soup. As you can see, there are several different kinds we could make, but they all start with putting some water in the pot.
Yeah, I agree with that. Here, let's just gonna add more water.
Great. Now fill it up with whatever kind of ingredients you want.
Anything? Okay. Alright. Just gotta try the product. No. No, I can't. I can't. There we are. Okay. Yes, a menu? Okay. Okay. Some corn, a potato. Yes, let's add some stems. Okay. Some avocado, yeah. Okay. I gotta make sure this is in there. You know what? We're just gonna add the entire bag. Might as well. Bag, I mean. Alright, gonna add this. No, we don't need that. But we do need this. Yummy. Yummy. That is gonna be good. Oh, okay. Wait, can I, like...
Just like Mombot used to make.
Really? That's exactly how she used to make it? Are you sure, man? Okay. Okay, okay. We're getting somewhere. Okay, no, we're not. That'll work. Let's get a pretzel. Okay, let's get a tea bag. Okay, here, we'll add that on as extra. Let's get some of this. Some of this. Okay, okay. Okay, still can't. Okay, no. Okay. We're getting somewhere, guys. Okay. Okay. Oh? Is it too tall? No! Okay, well. Alright. There we are.
I'm trying to cut down on gluten, but that looks pretty sandwich.
Oh, it does look pretty sandwich. Okay. Oh no, whoopsies. Yummy.
Hello, it's my little Timmy Bot's birthday. Can we get some pizza for the kids?
Yeah, of course.
Pizza is generally defined as a combination of bread, tomato, and cheese.
Okay.
Chefs would put their own twist on the dish, adding additional food items known as toppings. Let's begin by blending up some homemade tomato sauce.
Okay. Some tomato sauce. Okay. Okay. I can work with this. Ooh. Okay, that's not a tomato, it's an apple, but that's okay. Got an egg. Got cracked eggshell. We don't want the other egg. Yeah, we could do a mushroom. Might as well. Blend it down. Add some more.
Delicious. Now apply sauce to bread.
Okay. No, I'm not done yet. Yummy. Some chicken. 2 meatballs. And copper. Yeah, kid needs some iron anyway. Bread. I don't think that's how pizza's made, but hey, what do I know?
We are almost there.
Oh.
Combining the bread with some cheese in the microwave should fulfill all material requirements.
Oh, whoopsies. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Totally. Yummy.
That looks like enough to supply the festivities. Send them off to the dining room.
Wow. Actually turned out really well. Do you guys smell something burning? I can't put my finger on it. I don't know. Oh, hi.
I forgot to mention, little Timmy is deadly allergic to tomatoes. Could you make a special slice? What do you want instead of sauce on your pizza, Timmy?
I want sauce. That
Okay.
sauce. Make me applesauce.
Okay.
All right. The human will make you some applesauce. Go sit down now.
Okay. He doesn't need applesauce. He doesn't need applesauce. He can have tomato sauce. Alright? And if he doesn't like it, he can go eat somewhere else. Alright? I'm not even adding all the good stuff anymore. I'm just adding a little bit. Yeah, that's it. I shouldn't even give you cheese. But no, I'm gonna be nice and give you cheese. You wanna know why? Because I'm nice. Alright? Where's the cheese? Oh my gosh, I don't know where the cheese is. Are you joshing me? Well, I'm sorry. There's no cheese. Oh well. It's gonna have to do. Watch the cheese. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I smell something burning. I'm just...
Oh, one more
Not
thing.
sure.
Timmy is also allergic to warmth. Could you just serve the ingredients raw?
What? What? You know, okay, I'm not gonna question it. But I will put that on there.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Bye.
Eat up, Timmy. The human made it special for you.
Eat up to me.
There's tomatoes in here. I can taste it.
No, you can't. Of course, Timmy thinks there's tomatoes in there. Hello.
Hey, you.
Hey.
Can you help me out here?
Um.
I'm trying to propose to my romantic partner.
Okay.
I want it to be a surprise.
Okay.
Can you hide this ring inside a sandwich or something?
Sure. I can do that. You know what? No, I'm
That's
very
great.
sorry.
One more thing though. I wanted to have some romantic music playing while I do it, but I forgot to burn this disc. Could you burn it for me?
To show affection for one another, humans of the past would burn music onto primitive storage devices called discs. The details of the burning procedure have largely been lost to history, but it must have had something to do with heat.
Oh wait, I have to burn it. Oh, okay. I have to actually...
Oh, that'll be perfect. Thank you so much. Make sure you load the disc into the boombox and hit play before you send out that sandwich. I'll take care of things from there.
Oh.
What's this, my dear? My sandwich feels much heavier than usual.
Yeah, no, you don't get music.
That's interesting.
Hold
I
on.
wonder if there's something different inside?
What do you mean? What's this?
My sweet,
Emotion.
Will you
Enter a legally binding partnership.
with me?
Oh, of course. I'm the happiest spot in the world.
Oh, wow. The answer was affirmative. The answer was affirmative.
That's amazing, man. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video today. I had a lot of fun. I'd really appreciate a like and sub. Alright, you guys have a good day. Bye.